Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here, and I'm back with another video. Today, we have Supreme Spring Summer 2019 Week 1 unboxing. Everything is out of the box except for one thing because it's not here yet. But we are with Noah. If you guys watched my 518 Sneaker Fest video, he was in the video. And but he picked up 4 things. But like I said, one thing didn't come in, and he got. And he got the shower cap.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna get right into it. We'll just start off with the shower caps. So they do come in little boxes like that. Supreme shower cap, spring summer 2019, and he is our model. So you can see what it looks like. Then just the normal box logo stickers and the what was it called, the
grill.
The Supreme grill with the fruit tea stickers as well. Then we got the cheetah print boxer briefs, the hard goods tee in the ice blue colorway, size medium, and the big guy right here. What was this called? The airbrush floral skateboard.
Black.
The black colorway. Super fire. And do you have anything to say?
Wish I would have got the white.
The white one, you think?
I think the white one's cleaner.
Did that one sell out quicker? Or you just grabbed this
I think
one?
the black one sold out. Well, the story was... Oh, there's stuff on the side. But the story was, like, when I went on the website and I went and clicked on the skateboards, the white one didn't even show up. It was only the black one. Like when it was loading, it was school Wi-Fi shit. So it only showed up the black one.
I can't even get anything because I'm in the middle of class.
Oh yeah, it's terrible. So the black one only showed up, and then so I just checked that out because I knew it was gonna be selling out quick. So
yeah. Because this is, I think, one of the best decks for this season, unless the other than collabs. Like the fruit one's cool.
The swan
is just Ed. Then there's like there's like one where it's like a graffiti look to it. It has like the little guy on it.
Didn't even see that one. What is that called?
I don't know. I think it was in the lookbook though.
What was it?
Yeah.
Then I copped the waist bag too.
Yeah, he got the ice blue waist bag as well, but it's not here yet.
Oh, that one, right?
Yeah.
The Molotov kid, I think it's called.
Yeah, that one's alright.
Yeah, this one's pretty nice. That one.
And then there's this one is.
Oh, the old dirty bastard.
Yeah, that one is just like.
That's like is that like a collab? That's gotta be right.
I don't think so, because I know that's a rug too.
From Old Dirty Bastards Return to the 36 Chambers of Dirty version. It's a shirt, I think too. I think they made a tee out of it, or a long sleeve, something like that. Oh wait, this is just the recent drop. Anyway.
But so I think was a successful week for him. I think the best thing that you got is the waist bag. Hopefully that actually shows up.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, that is Noah's Week 1 pickups, minus waist bag. But if you guys all enjoyed, check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel. Everything will be in the description below. And if you guys want to follow Noah on Instagram,
yeah,
his link will be also will be in the description.
Oh, and Hype Pagoda too, starting.
Yes, and he has a resale page as well. But if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already. Comment down below what you guys copped on Week 1, and did you get a shower cap, and are you gonna rock that like he is?
Oh, I heard the swan box logo sticker
Yeah.
comes with the bags. It came with the backpack, so if it comes with the waist bag, that's gonna be worth some money one day.
Yeah.
Just wait.
But anyway, hope you guys all enjoyed. See you next video. Peace.